Top of the morning, gamers. We're gonna go on a ride.
I just wanted to point out a couple things. I've got tank grips on the bike now. Looking pretty good. I got the tech spec snakeskin tank grips for the bike. I did also get TST frame sliders and the tail tidy, but I don't feel like putting them on my bike. So I'm gonna take it to the shop, but that's not happening today. Today, I'm just going for a ride. Let me start the bike, get my gear on, and then we'll have a nice ride. Oop. No. Bike is pretty warmed up. Do need to go put some gas in it. So we will go do that. Ready to go. Yep. It was a wonderful day to be outside riding. Close my helmet. That thing says National Night Out, August 5th. I don't know what that is. I need to look it up. Every time I say I'm gonna look it up, I never look it up. Man, it feels so good outside today, man. If every day was like this, I'd be riding almost every day, man. Hopefully it stays like this when I go to work. This bike has crazy pickup, man. It's such a fun bike to be on. Harley rider. Hopefully that man is having a good day. I will be driving the speed limit here because my tags are very visible and there is a speeding camera here. Please don't come out into traffic. I love you. Okay. $55. Fuck. How much money does it take to fill up a 2025 Zx6r? Well, let's find out, guys, together. I'm gonna put 93 up in this thing. It's not even really empty. About $8. About $9 actually. It's kind of sickening how expensive gas is, but you know, I guess I'm blessed to be in a position where I don't really have to like worry about gas. I can just afford it. So as much as I complain, I'm very grateful for everything. Let's get moving. Whoa, what's that guy up to? Yeah, that's another thing. When you're driving in Maryland, dude, the fucking level of traffic is just always so heavy, dude. Like, look at this dude. He wants to get over here. Oh man, I missed my exit. Oh well. Guess we'll just keep on driving. Oh, we can go this way. Look at all that traffic, man. It's ridiculous.
Oh, I know exactly where I'm at, dude. Lake is like easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Reading signs. Reading is just like so fundamental. It allows you to do things like navigate yourself to where you need to go. Whoever called me stopped my music permanently, bro. I'm kind of pissed. Is the light gonna be green for us at least? It is. Okay. Okay. Hopefully this is a good spot to park my bike. Oh, that's easily tip overable. I made it to the lake, guys, without GPS and not going a familiar way that I usually go. Someone keeps on calling me, bro. Who is it? Jalen just called me. There's a cookout happening, so now we have another place to ride to on the bike, which is fantastic because it's nowhere near here, so I get to really do my thing. Ooh, middle of the road. Damn. There's gonna be traffic. This thing isn't exhaust bad because when it's like really loud and the wind is playing, I can't even hear the exhaust note. I just hear all wind. I said the wind is playing like it's a record track. But yeah, it's all wind. Yeah, driving in Maryland, man, it's just traffic, traffic, traffic. So I guess I have to learn the seal of lane splitting if I'm going to be riding this bike. What the fuck was that, brother? What the fuck was that, brother? There's probably gonna be some more traffic once we get up here too. I'm already knowing. What a day, man. I've been riding all day like I initially planned to. But yeah, man, biking is fun, man. Look at this. I've been out all day. I've been having a little adventure. I'm driving around, and like, this would have been exhausting had I been in a car. Traffic would have for sure just killed this whole thing, man. This is fun. Right there.